So we have this bird in the windowsill, and the cats over here are tripping. Turbo just knocked all my bottles down. Look at these guys. What is it? What is it, Mau Mau? It's a birdie. It's a baby. He's not afraid of nothing. What is it, Turbs? Get the birdie. Look at the birdie. Go get him. Come on, do that thing with your mouth. He's still there. Mau Mau. Oh, what's up, Turbs? He's like, oh my god, I want to play with him. Turbo. Oh, Turbo. Poor baby. That's Maui's collar that just came off. Don't even worry about it. Get the birdie. You weirdo. You're not going to do it, huh? Only when the camera's off. What's up with the little birdie? You're on camera. Hello. Turbo, look. Get the birdie. Whatever. I gotta go water the garden.